We gotta. Okay, don't. Let's just back away from Ussie. You know what? We're gonna do just these two, and we'll fetch the other two. Okay, morning everybody. Today we're going to be shuffling the sanctuary around. This is in order to give the lions an enrichment that they otherwise wouldn't get if they just stayed in one enclosure all their life. So basically what we do is we mix it up. We move lions to various different enclosures, and we give one group of lions, and in this case it's going to be Gandalf, Kusasa and Sabindi, a chance to have a couple of days to a couple of weeks actually in the big area, which is about 25 hectares. So I hope you enjoy. It should take a few hours if everything goes according to plan. I'm actually starting with the four most tricky lions. Sometimes Delta doesn't want to load. He doesn't like going with the three other boys. So what we might have to do is 2 trips. And then even having said that, sometimes he will just stay behind for one day, and we're going to come back a day later and load him. So I hope that isn't the case today. Let's see how eager he is to move. Famous for Unati, Aslan, Icarus and Delta. Okay. Unati, in you go, mind your feet. Icarus, yeah, just get them to the side. Hello Icky. Icky, in you go. Leave my camera. In you go. Whoa, okay. Oh no, we gotta. Okay, don't. Let's just back away from Ussie. You know what? We're gonna do just these two, and we'll fetch the other two. In any other sanctuary, in order to do a shuffle like this, it would probably take a few days, because you're going to be having to tranquilize animals, knock them out, and then move them around that way. So obviously it's risky anesthetizing animals, and it's not something you want to do too frequently. So this kind of thing that we do here at our sanctuary is not easy to do at another lion facility. It is a pro to having good relationships with these animals. Hello, big boy. Oh. Up. Come. Oh, God. Bobcat, you missed. Hello, sweetie pie. Yeah, inside. Come. In. Come. Let's go. Oh. Come. Okay, we're loading Bobcat and Gabby. We've just got to get Bobcat out so I can load Gabby in. Get some food. Okay, let's go. That was pretty easy. Bobcat and Gabby are never a hassle. Yes, always a good easy boy to put in the cage. Yes, not a problem. Okay, so we are here with Bobcat and Gabby, and we're going to be offloading them in the new area for the next week or two. And so they are pretty straightforward to move, although they probably won't get out in a hurry. Okay, whoop. Oh. No, Gabs. Good girl, Gabby. Good girl. Come, Bobcat. How'd you get, big boy? Jump. Good boy. Such good lions. I wish all the lions were as well behaved as Bobcat and Gabby. Okay, so we're here with George and Yame, and they shouldn't be a problem. But George probably needs a little bit of help with his hind legs jumping up because he hasn't got a real spring in his step. Hey Georgie. Yame's just grabbing one last drink. Hey Yum. We're about to go. Yes, we're about to go. Ooh, you know. Yeah. Oh. And go. There's Stinky Bum. You're not going to jump in yet. We can come back for you.
Yeah, Stinky Bum. Ooh, there's Stinky Bum. Ooh, there's Stinky Bum. Get it, Stinky Bum. You put your Stinky Bum. Yeah. Goody, 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 goody. Ooh, the funniest little animal. Ooh, the funniest little animal. Yes.
Go, Georgie. Go, you can step on my back. Go. Come on. Good job. Hey, he's getting good, huh?
Get it, Buddha.
Let's go. Come, Buddha. Whoop. Do you need help? Oh, no, you don't need help. Whoop. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got a little bit of insight into how we do what we do, how we swap all the lions around at the sanctuary. If you did enjoy it, please do tell your friends to subscribe to Lion Whisperer TV. And please do follow us on all the other social media sites. It's Lion Whisperer SA on most of them. Goes for Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And of course, yes, if you are not yet subscribed to Lion Whisperer TV, please do so and help spread the message, the awareness to the plight of lions in captivity and the wild. So thanks for watching. Until next time, cheers.